Okay guys, so like in our previous video, you will going to see some patterns here of squares. So you just need to... Hello guys, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. So for today, we're going to build a used computer. So maybe our budget for this used computer is 5,000 pesos or something like that. So here are our materials guys. So this is a used motherboard. So usually this will I bought this for 1,500. Usually you can buy this online from other users. Maybe price range is about 1,200 to 1,500. So the cheapest you can get is 1,200. Our GPU, so this is GTX 460. So you can buy this for maybe about 1,300 to 1,500 pesos. Okay, also guys, this GPU requires two 6-pin use RAM. So we are going to use 2 4GB DDR3 RAM. Usually guys, you can buy this for about 600 pesos each use. Okay, and use hard drive. So we're using 500 gig. So usually you can buy this around 600 to 800 pesos. And our used processor, so actually guys, I bought this for 400 pesos only. This is X4 740. And also we have the popular name for this Korean power supply guys, K-pop power supply. So they call them true rated power supply here in the Philippines. So this will cost you about 500 to 800 pesos. And finally, our used casing. So you can buy this one. It looks in a good shape naman guys. So you can buy this for 200 pesos. 200 to 300 pesos. Okay guys, let's start. Okay guys, so first step, we need to install our X4 740 processor. So let's remove, like in our previous video, you will going to see some patterns here of square. So you just need to actually this is your guide on how you're going to put in the processor. So like that, then let's lock. Okay guys, the second step is we need to add this thermal grease before installing our heatsink. Alright, so here is our heatsink. Installing. So there, you can see it. We need to lock it. There. So it's all set. So we can add this heatsink pan here. Alright, this is FM2, this one guys. Alright, then let's install our RAM. Okay guys, so let's continue. Let's install the power supply first. Motherboard now. Okay, so here's our motherboard with processor and RAM. There. Alright. Okay, so we need how many screws? Oh, we need 4 only. Alright, so we need to install the cables. So let's fix this later. Okay, sa 24 pin guys. So let's install the 24 pin first. So this one. Then followed by port 3 pin. 4 pin. Okay. This will go to the motherboard. There. Alright. Alright. So there we go. Okay, it's time to install our graphic card guys. So what we have here is this one. So we need to remove the DBI to BGA adapter, so we need this. But if you have your DBI cord, definitely don't need this anymore. It's okay. Make sure it fits and it's installed properly. So alright, so we need the 2.6 pin here. We need to install the 2.6 pin. So if we don't install this guys, the graphic card won't work. There, 1 and 2. So alright, we're almost done. So we need the hard drive, so I'll be using this one. Okay, so we forgot the SATA cable. So we need to plug this SATA cable here. There. Then maybe we can just install our hard drive here. No. I think it should be better if we install it here. Down here. So wait guys, I'm just going to fix the cables. Okay guys, so let's continue. So here is our hard drive, and we will use to screw. Wait, you can see it there. There we go. We need to secure it. Okay, then let's install the SATA cable. So it's from here, and another SATA. This is the power cable. Alright. Okay guys, so we need to install our power button. So the power button should be here, this one, and under it is the reset button. Okay, LED plus and minus. And also there's no hard drive LED. Okay, there is the hard drive LED. Alright, also we can install the audio. So where's the audio? It's over here, so far away. So here's the audio. Alright, audio. Then we still have another. So what's the so this is the USB, so we can use either of this. Okay, so like that. Okay guys, so our used computer is ready for testing. Okay guys, I already installed the necessary cables needed, so we're ready to power up this used computer, and let's see how it will perform. Where is the power button? Here. Okay, so as you can see guys, it's working, and let's check. So actually what's installed here guys is Windows 7. So I can't make the Windows 10 work, but anyway, let's try this for a while. Okay guys, so here it is. X4 740 quad-core processor, 3.2 gigahertz, and our video card guys is GeForce GTX 460. So now guys, let's try to compute how many or how much did we spend to build this second-hand PC. Okay guys, so it's time to compute. So our processor X4 740 is only 400 pesos. 400 pesos plus our motherboard is 1,300. Our RAM, used RAM is 1200, that's 8 GB. Our hard drive is 600 pesos, 500 GB. Our video card is GTX 460, 1 GB RAM. DDR5, it's only 1300. Our power supply is actually, guys, 500 pesos. That is rated 500 watts. And our casing is only 200 pesos. So that's total of 5,500. So we have a quad core process. We have a quad core gaming computer now. So next time, guys, let's try to play games with this computer on what kind of game can this build can play. I'm sure it can play Valorant, ROS, and NBA 2K19. So thanks for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.